At Headwaters Economics, we recently published a post about the importance of a well-designed culvert and what that means for our community's ability to withstand future flooding. Culverts are something people don't think about until they fail, and then they become catastrophic, isolating people from their jobs, from their schools, from their businesses, and emergency services. As a civil engineer, I've designed culverts in states that have robust standards. So I was surprised to learn that more than half of our states don't have these standards. And what really sparked this interest is our work with our communities through our Floodwise program and understanding that there are so many culverts in a lot of these communities we're working with in Nebraska, in South Dakota, in Montana, where these culverts are undersized. And without statewide stream crossing standards, we continue to invest in culverts that aren't built to last and put our communities at risk. I'm Bridget Mitchell. For more information on this topic and other research topics about flood resiliency, please check out headwaterseconomics.org.